Welcome to Edinburgh, the Athens of the North, some have called her. To those of us who live here, she is a classical city in her own right. For 500 years, capital of the proud and ancient kingdom of Scotland. It was a king from Edinburgh who became the first sovereign of the United Kingdoms of Scotland and England. History is built into the sharp outline of Edinburgh's Royal Mile. This is a very European capital, a city of laws and learning, of doctors, books and beer. A city of merchants, of commerce, and of banking. But at every turn, there are memories of days when the Scottish Parliament sat here in Edinburgh's High Street under the shadow of the Crown Tower of St Giles. Scotland still has its own laws, its own way of life, its own turn of speech, its own traditions, its own culture, and its own church. Sir Walter Scott was an Edinburgh lawyer. Robert Louis Stevenson lived here. Robert Burns came to her drinking house and her drawing rooms and wrote some of his best-loved songs here. The past seems alive among the blossoming trees of Princes Street Gardens. The National Gallery houses one of the finest art collections in Europe. Rembrandt, Titian, Degas, and the Royal Scottish Academy shows work by contemporary Scottish artists. For 25 years, people from all over the world have come together under these northern skies to enjoy music and drama at the annual international festivals. Nothing is ever so theatrical as Edinburgh herself, the castle perched on its rocky crag, the spirit of romantic legend, riding high into the March gloaming. But a city is living people, and Edinburgh folk, like people in every European town, rush home from their work, perhaps go to a cinema, a theatre, or the Usher Hall. This concert hall, given to the city of Edinburgh by Andrew Usher, was opened in 1914. And perhaps more world-famous orchestras have appeared here than in any other hall in Europe. Our orchestra tonight is the BBC Radio Orchestra, conducted by Malcolm Lockyer, and as it plays Un Bon, Une Arbre, Une Rue, last year's winner for Séverine and Monaco, and the overture to the Eurovision Song Contest of 1972 from Edinburgh, in which the United Kingdom entry will be sung by the New Seekers, we send greetings to you wherever you may be. And to give you a warm welcome to Bonnie Scotland in person, here is our own Bonnie, Miss Moira Shearer.
Ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this, the 17th Eurovision Song Contest, coming to you from the Usher Hall in Edinburgh. In a few moments, artists from 18 countries will be singing the song of their own country's choice to decide which one will receive the Grand Prix of 1972. The contest is being transmitted to 28 countries, and via satellite is being seen as far away as Brazil. A reasonable estimate might be that perhaps something like 400 million people could be watching at this moment. And I would like to extend to you all a very warm welcome to Edinburgh. The order in which the 18 songs will be sung has been decided by drawing lots. And they will be voted upon by our 36-member jury, who are watching the contest from the Great Hall of Edinburgh Castle. But I shall be giving you more details of the voting procedure later in the programme. Bonsoir à tous et bienvenue à ce 17e concours de la chanson qui vous parvient depuis le Usher Hall à Édimbourg.
And Moira Shearer repeats her welcome in French, the other official language of the European Broadcasting Union. And I know I'll be saying what a lot of you are thinking if I say how good it is to see Moira Shearer back on a stage. She was born in Dunfermline in Fife, just across the Firth of Forth from Edinburgh. Was, of course, a prima ballerina with Sadler's Wells, later the Royal Ballet, and became an international film star overnight in 1947 with her film The Red Shoes, which made every little girl in the world want to be a ballerina. She's now married to Ludovic Kennedy and lives in an old manse in the Borders. Her three daughters go to school in Scotland. Her son is at art school in London. She still keeps a link with the live arts, serves on the music committee of the Scottish Arts Council. Now, may I remind you that there is a scorecard on page 59 of your Radio Times, so why not compare your score with that of the jury? And also may I remind you that each song is allowed exactly 3 minutes, and if it exceeds the time allowed, it is disqualified. Rehearsals have been very happy. There's been a very competitive and friendly spirit here in Edinburgh for the last 3 days. The sun's been shining, and at last, the moment of truth is almost here.
D'écouter la première chanson du concours de la chanson Eurovision 1972. And now, ladies and gentlemen, it is time for us to hear the first song in the Eurovision Song Contest of 1972.
And the first song is the song for Germany. It's sung by Mary Roos. She's 23, cut not her first tooth, but her first disc at the age of 10. And here to conduct the German song is a very famous German conductor. He's also composer, arranger, pianist and singer, Paul Kuhn. He takes Malcolm Lockyer's place on the podium. And the song is Nur die Liebe lässt uns leben. Only love lets us live. Mary Roos for Germany. And what a confident, relaxed performance from Mary Roos. And it's always so difficult to be the first in at the deep end. Nur die Liebe lässt uns leben. Germany's entry to the Eurovision Song Contest. And now France. Betty Mars is the singer of the French song. Born in Paris, went to a stage school at the age of 7. Now sings in revue and cabaret. And The baton is again passed from conductor to conductor. For France, one of the most famous names in the world of light music is conducting Franck Pourcel, who sold 15 million records of his arrangements in 20 years. Song specially composed for Betty Mars by Frédéric Borton, Comme Comédie. Betty Mars for France.
En amour, c'est toujours comme ça. Comédie, une chanson qu'on oublie, mais un jour qui reviendra. Quelques pages d'une vie qu'on effeuille, c'est ainsi que la terre tournera. Comédie, comme on dit, tant qu'on s'aime, toi et moi. Notre histoire s'écrit en peu de mots. Je t'aime, tu m'aimes, quoi de plus beau? Pourquoi faut-il s'en défendre? Pourquoi chercher à comprendre? Puisqu'on chante aussitôt comédie, comme on dit, le bonheur n'est jamais si loin. Comédie, les illusions d'aujourd'hui pourraient être vraies demain. Les orages ou bien la pluie, les chagrins et les soucis, après tout, cela n'est rien. Comédie, comme on dit, que toi notes à mon refrain. Comédie, comme on dit, en amour, c'est toujours comme ça. Comédie, l'on dit non, puis l'on dit oui, en regardant quelquefois quelques pages d'une vie qu'on effeuille, c'est ainsi que la terre tournera. Comédie, comme on dit, autant que l'on s'aimera. Comédie, comédie.
An elegant gown and an eloquent performance, as one might expect from France. Betty Mars and Comme Comédie. Song number 3 is the song for Ireland. Sandy Jones is the first singer to bring a song in the Irish language to the contest. She's 21, born in Dublin, has also worked as a fashion model. The conductor for Ireland is Colman Pearce, who conducted the Eurovision Orchestra at last year's song contest in Dublin. The song, Ceol an Grá, the music of love. Sandy Jones for Ireland.
Eisteki, clashin Marie, Ceol an Grá. Shanno and Shu, the Minche, the Hill and Ceol an Grá. Ilona Car Bra, the Shaw and No Etra, Clashin Mantune, is the Maroon, Ceol an Grá. Eisteki, clashin Marie, Ceol an Grá. Canin and Tani, Passan and Name, Ceol an Grá. Margin no Lauren Lay, Casham a bin sé de hielm kjor an gra ilana kar pra ka shawan no etra ka shimon tune is the marun shim kalan gra esteki clash mari shikyor gra shano and shudam bin sé de hielm kjor gra ilana kar pra ka shawan no etra ka shimon tune is the marun shim kalan gra ilana kar pra ka shawan no etra ka shimon tune is the marun shim kalan gra
Sandy Jones in a lovely dress, chainmail of emerald green, and the song Kjolangro, the music of love for Ireland. From Spain, song number 4, Jaime More will sing it. He's won many international festivals, and you'll hear why in just a moment. The conductor and also the composer is Augusto Alguero. Well known for his film music, he recently conducted the London Symphony Orchestra and the soundtrack music for Charlton Heston's Antony and Cleopatra. Spain's song is Amanece, at daybreak. Words by Ramon Alcusa, who wrote the winning song in 1968. Jaime More for Spain.
Amanece, la lluvia moja lentamente mi desperta. La gente camina cerca de mi soledad sin parar. Amanece. Parece que el cielo se nubló para nosotros desde el momento triste en que escuché tu adiós. Yo sé de un lugar a través del mar donde el día brilla más cuando amanece. Nuestra nave irá rumbo hacia esta luz. Confianza, un viento de esperanza en el mañana. Escucha, tratemos de empezar hoy otra vez. ¿Por qué no? Si quieres, será nuestra bandera la amistad y el amor. Yo sé de un lugar a través del mar donde el día brilla más cuando amanece. Nuestra nave irá rumbo hacia esa luz por llevarte tu confianza, un viento de esperanza en el mañana. Donde el día brilla más cuando amanece, cuando amanece, cuando amanece.
The song for Spain, winners in 1968, joint winners in 1969. It's more and more difficult. And only number 5 coming up. But number 5 is our own song, Beg, Steal or Borrow, sung by the New Seekers. The home favourites. New Seekers, Paul Layton, Lynn Paul, Peter Doyle, Eve Graham, Marty Christian. First time a group has represented the UK in the Eurovision Song Contest. They are to be conducted by their Australian recording manager, David Mackay, who takes over the baton. And we all hold our breaths and cross our fingers for the New Seekers with Beg, Steal or Borrow. A great cheer from this Edinburgh audience. Particular Scottish backing for Eve Graham. She comes from Perth. So here goes for the United Kingdom.
And I see what I've been looking for. Now it's very clear to me we should be together.
You make me feel I could reach for the impossible.
And knowing how much you care, I'll be there forever. You know I'll beg, steal or borrow to give you sunny days, and in 100 ways I'll bring you love. You know I'll beg, steal or borrow, yes I will, to make your garden grow. And most of all, you know I'll bring you love.
I always knew that the world could be a finer place.
So what if I have to wait? Better late than never. You like me,
Yes,
and you believe love makes it all worthwhile.
and although we've just begun,
We'll go on forever. You know I'll beg, steal or borrow to give you sunny days, and in 100 ways I'll bring you love. You know I'll beg, steal or borrow to make your garden grow. And most of all, you know I'll bring you love. You know I'll beg, steal or borrow to give you sunny days, and in 100 ways I'll bring you love, 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 love,
For the United Kingdom, Beg, Steal or Borrow by Derek Cole, Graham Hall and Steve Wolf, sung by the New Seekers. Warm applause. They're at number 5, and now to number 6 for Norway, Greta Kausland and Benny Borg. As little Greta, she made records when she was 5 or 6, returned to show business only last year, married with 2 children. He's a classical guitarist, and they're both 25. Their musical director is Karsten Klaumann, and the song is called Småting, Little Things. It's by Cora Grökum and Eva Börschen.
skaffe seg penger, gods eller gull, arve et slott, det kan vi, men hva er vel det? Mot gleder som hverdagen gir.
Reise rundt jorden, kjenne seg fri. Lande på månen kan vi, men hva er vel det? Få øynene opp, og du ser.
Småting, småting, være til nytte, små ting, små ting, små ting, små ting.
A gentle and most attractive song for Norway. Small Thing, Little Things, sung by Greta Kausland and Benny Borg. For Portugal, Carlos Mendes, born in Lisbon, he's 24 and student architect, represented Portugal at the Eurovision Song Contest in the Albert Hall in 1968. And now with the seventh song. The conductor is Richard Hill, who comes from Glasgow and composed the music for the Canterbury Tales. The seventh song, is A Festa da Vida, the joy of living. Here is Carlos Mendes for Portugal.
Que venham o sol, o vinho, as flores, marés, canções, todas as cores, guerras esquecidas por amor. Que venham já trazendo abraços, vistam sorrisos de palhaços, esqueçam tristezas e cansaços. Que tragam todos os festejos e ninguém se esqueça de beijos. Que tragam prendas de alegria e a festa dura até ser dia. Que não se privem nas despesas, afastem todas as tristezas, pão, vinho e rosas sobre as mesas. Que tragam cobertores ou mantas, o vinho escorra pelas gargantas e a festa dura até às tantas. Que venham todos de vontade, sem se lembrarem de saudade. Venham os novos e os velhos, mas que nenhum me dê Venham os novos e os velhos, mas que nenhum me dê conselhos. Que venham todos de vontade, sem se lembrarem de saudade. Venham os novos e os velhos, mas que nenhum me dê conselhos.
A Festa da Vida, the joy of living, the song for Portugal. For Switzerland at number 8, Veronique Müller is both singer and composer. And she'll feel at home in Edinburgh, born in Moorton, a little town dominated by a castle on the border between French and German-speaking Switzerland. Perhaps that's why she's called Veronique Müller. She's 24. The conductor is French, Jean-Pierre Festi, originally a jazz musician, now a well-known orchestrator. The song is C'est la chanson de mon amour. This is the song of my love, sung by Veronique Müller for Switzerland. The words by Catherine Desage.
Des mots sauvages et tendres, c'est la chanson de mon amour. Mon cœur s'est laissé prendre à la chanson de mon amour. Mon amour, elle est là tout au long de ma vie. Elle m'attend dans le vent et sous la pluie, dans le bleu d'un ciel bleu en plein midi, dans ma nuit qui s'ennuie si loin de lui. Un jour, c'était décembre, je m'en allais seule sous la pluie. On s'est trouvés ensemble à partager le même avril. Sa main a pris la mienne, on s'est aimé le même jour. Le temps, l'espoir, la peine, c'est la chanson de mon amour, mon amour. Elle est là tout au long de ma vie. Elle m'attend dans le vent et sous la pluie, dans le bleu d'un ciel bleu en plein midi, dans ma nuit qui s'ennuie si loin de lui. Des mots sauvages et tendres, c'est la chanson de mon amour. Mon cœur s'est laissé prendre à la chanson de mon amour. Da-di-da-da-dam, da-di-da-dam-dam, di-da-dam. Mon cœur s'est laissé prendre à la chanson de mon amour, mon amour.
And of course, Switzerland won the very first Eurovision Song Contest in 1956. Ninth is the song from Malta. It'll be sung by Helen and Joseph. Helen was born at Birkirkara in Malta. She's 21, and Joseph was born in Valletta. He's 31. Both are famous singers in their own right, although they've been teamed up many times, like this evening. Charles Camilleri is the conductor and also the composer of the song, which has been chosen from more than 60 others to represent Malta. And that song is called Limhaba, Love. The words are by Albert Casola. And here are Helen and Joseph.
فتش طريق بالراس فؤادي مش مستقصية اللي لو سقسيت شيني المحبة كبيرة تزازة دين توجيبها في قلبي حسيت المحبة بعجو بسو كيس حاجة للقلب تمس وليسي هولا كيس المحبة بوسع واتفكر لين بتاوى شوتي وقتين أقول عيني وقت القلب تدمر بالهرقة وتحصل فيني يكوب بالنار سويك تنادى جاري وبالسرقة بالنص الليلة لقيت النار سبت الفريكس هيلز انجلز والهيبيز والمستقصية اللي لهم تنيت لستس وجيبة دايم حت منهم ومبط بكلم داون كل عيجين المحبيبة جو بسو كس حاجة للقلب تمس وليسي هولا كس المحبيبة وساهل وتفكر ليم بتاوى شمي وقتين عواني وقت القلب تدمر بالهرقة وتحصل فيني يكوب بالنار سويا خديناتا جاري وبالسرقة بالنص الليلة لقيت النار حبيبة بسو كيس حاجة للقلب كيس وليسي هولا كيس لم حبيبة وساهل وتفكر ليم بتاوى شوفي وقتين أقول عينيك كم إيطالياني وكم الإسبانيولي الجرمانيزي إنجليزي ومالتين صحصيتهم كل الشيف بالمحبة Quoque dziwata omilin. Lim happy bacio, Leusa
With Malta's Limhaba, Love, we come to the halfway mark of the song contest. For Finland, coming in at number 10, two of the most attractive performers in the contest, Päivi Paunu and Kim Floor. Päivi is 26 from Helsinki, married, has her own group. Kim is 24 and is at the Swedish Drama School in Helsinki. One more year to go. Became famous overnight with this song, sung with Päivi. The conductor is Ossi Run. For 6 years, conducted the Finnish entry. The song is Muistetaan, Remember.
Muistathan sä töistä, kun sulla oli silloin päivän ihanan sekä kauniin illan. Hetken, jolloin käteeni ensi kerran otit omasi lämpimään. Kävelimme kahden vain hetken verran läpi puistikon poikki vanhan sillan. Tuokio tuo pieni meille riitti silloin onnen antamaan. Kohtasimme keskellä ihmisten, sattumako, ei mä tiedä sen. Kohtalo toi eteemme rakkauden ja onnen vaan. On onnea surukin osaltaan, se vain elämänä täytyy oivaltaa. Miksi ihmisellä muuten oliskaan taito nauraa? Kävelimme kahden vain hetken verran läpi puistikon poikki vanhan sillan. Tuokio tuo pieni meille riitti silloin onnen antamaan.
Unessako kenties mä näin jo sun, siitä varmaan johtui tää tunne mun. Elänyt on ennenkin hetkisen, mä pienoisen.
Unta varmaan se kaikki on vieläkin, puistosilta sekä käteslämpimin. Sekunnissa elin elämään, melkein ikuiseen.
Muistetaan, Remember, by Juha Flink and Naka Johansson, sung by Päivi Paunu and Kim Floor, for Finland. And now here we are in the Great Hall of Edinburgh Castle, built 500 years ago. And our jury of 36, locked up an hour ago, puzzling away just as you must be doing at home with your own red carpet and your suits of armour on either side of the telly. How are you getting on? It's confusing, isn't it? The UK jurors are Doreen Samuels from Glasgow and from Hereford, Robert Bruce Walker, fine Scottish name. But here we are, back in the Usher Hall, half a mile away. And for Austria, coming in at number 11, the Milestones. The conductor is Dr. Erich Kleinschuster of ORF, the Austrian Radio and Television Organization, a jazz musician until 1968. The song is Falter im Wind, Moth in the Wind. Here are the milestones for Austria.
Bleib nicht im Wald, Schmetterling, und beflieg dich nicht bei Nacht. Falsch ist der Mond sein Schattenspiel, in der Dämmerung ist kein Heil. Bleib nicht in den Wäldern, bleib nicht in den Wäldern, bleib nicht in den Wäldern. Um die Lichter, Schmetterling, deine Farben flammen auf. Tot ist die Nacht in deinem Tanz, bis das Leben hell wie Tag. Fall nicht in die Sonne, fall nicht in die Sonne, fall nicht in die Sonne. Hell ist ein Tag, drum tanze schnell, hebe deinen Flügel stark. Tanz um die Lichter, Schmetterling, weit für den Abendnebel ein. Fall nicht in die Sonne, fall nicht in die Sonne, fall nicht in die Sonne. Weit im Wind wie Zeit, tief verrinnt wie Sand in der Hand, verweht, verwandt. Es ist nicht ein Flügel, so bricht und flüstern, verweckt dich. Weit im Wind wie Zeit, tief verrinnt wie Sand in der Hand, verweht, verwandt. Es ist nicht ein Flügel, so bricht und flüstern, verweckt dich.
For Austria, the milestones, Beatrix Neundlinger, Günther Röslecher, Christian Kolonowitz and Norbert Neidmeyer singing Falter im Wind, Moth in the Wind. For Italy, a solo singer, Nicola de Bari. His conductor is Gianfranco Reverberi, a good name for a conductor. And the song is one with which Nicola de Bari has already won the 1972 Sanremo Festival, I Giorno dell'Arcobaleno, the Rainbow Days. Nicola de Bari for Italy.
Erano i giorni dell'arcobaleno, finito l'inverno, tornava il sereno. E tu con negli occhi la luna e le stelle, sentivi una mano sfiorar la tua pelle. E mentre impazzivi al profumo dei fiori, la notte si accese di 1000 colori. Distesa sull'erba come una che sogna, giacesti bambina, ti alzasti già donna. adesso ti vedi grande di più, sei diventata più forte e sicura, è già iniziata la dolce avventura. Ormai sono bambine le amiche di prima che si ritrovano in gruppo a giocare e sognano ancora su un raggio di luna. Vivi la vita di donna importante perché a 16 anni ti senti già grande. Ma un giorno vedrai che ogni donna è matura all'epoca giusta e con giusta misura, e in questa tua corsa incontro all'amore ti lascia alle spalle il tempo migliore.
Warm applause for the Rainbow Days, I Giorni della Cabellino by Piero Pinducci and Dalmazio Mazzini for Italy. Teresa, who comes from Dubrovnik, sings Yugoslavia's entry. She's had great successes not only in Yugoslavia, but in Paris and all over Europe and on television. For almost 10 years, she's worked with her conductor and composer this evening. Here he is, Dr. Nikita Kalogera. The song is Musica E.T., Music and You. And this girl, Teresa, is a tremendous performer.
Svoj svijet svatko gradi sam, svoj san svatko sniva sam, svoj put koji vodi ljubavi, koji vodi sreći toj, svatko traži sam. Muzika i ti, to je onaj svijet u kojem sreću nađoh ja. Muzika i ti, to je onaj svijet u kojem sunce vječno sja, ko divna vizija iz sna, kojoj je sretna predajem se sva. Muzika i ti, muzika i ti, i himna je te vječne ljubavi. Taj dan jednom mora doć, tvoj dan, tvoja sretna noć i bol koju sobom nosiš ti u dubini srca svog jednom mora proć. Muzika i ti, to je onaj svijet u kojem sreću nađoh ja. Predajem se sva. Muzika i ti, muzika i ti, i himna je te vječne ljubavi.
Muzika E.T. Words by Ivica Kraja, sung by Teresa for Yugoslavia. A fine song, but does it take a Teresa to perform it? So, believe it or not, to the last 5 songs. Number 14 is the song from Sweden. The Family Four are the singers. They represented Sweden, as you may remember, last year at Dublin. Bernd Öst, Agneta Munter, Mari Bergman, and Pierre Isaksson. The conductor is Mats Olsen. The song by Håkan Elmqvist is Helge Summer Dog, Lovely Summer Day.
Morgonsol glittrar i viken. Dagen gryr sista gång. Blinkar har det fint.
Ser du vår segelbåt? Hör du musiken?
När vi styr mot ett nytt äventyr. Nynna en sång, tralla en trall. Gnola en låt som minner om sommar. Känn hur det doftar ifrån salta hav. När du nynnar en sång, trallar en trall. Gnolar en låt som minner om sommar. Sjung om en härlig sommardag. Vind från väst, rykande vågor med vita gäss. Spelande segel som slår när vi går mot vår ö. I en vik kastar i ankar. Tar ett dopp, har det skönt på en solvarm helg.
Innan vi sakta mat, hemåt vi vankar.
Över ön i en skön sommarkväll. Nynna en sång, tralla en trall. Gnola en låt som minner om sommar. Känn hur det doftar ifrån salta hav. När du nynnar en sång, trallar en trall. Gnolar en låt som minner om sommar. Sjung om en härlig sommar. Sommar. La 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 la. Ja la 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Sjung om en härlig sommar. Härliga dag, härliga
Last year they sang a song about winter. This year it's lovely summer day. You'll notice small blonde Mari Bergman had a leg bandage. She sprained an ankle here in Edinburgh a couple of days ago, which is a great shame, but it didn't spoil the performance. There's the winner of last year's Eurovision Song Contest for Monaco, Severin. So, to the song for Monaco. Peter McLean, fine old Scottish name, and Anne-Marie Godard. Anne-Marie's 22, set on a stage career from the age of 14. Peter McLean's 26, 15 started studying classical guitar in Strasbourg. The conductor is also the composer, Raymond Bernard, who has taken part in 2 other Eurovision Song Contests. His song is Comme on s'aime, How Much We Love Each Other. The words by Jean Bréjat, who wrote Sous le ciel de Paris.
mon amour, le poème des je t'aime est le même chaque jour. Comme on s'aime sans problème, sans discours, sur un thème de toujours.
Comme on s'aime, mon amour.
Il fait des rêves blancs et sous ses cheveux longs, il a des violons plein la tête.
tête.
Elle a le cœur qui bat, car elle sait déjà comment il la prendra dans ses bras.
Comme on s'aime, comme on s'aime, comme on s'aime, mon amour.
Le poème des je t'aime
est le même chaque jour. Comme on s'aime, comme on s'aime, le bonheur est arrivé. Ils se sont longtemps rêvés, ils se sont enfin trouvés.
amoureux de Paris, du nord ou du midi.
De partout, ils sourient à la fête. Amoureux de partout, ils viennent jusqu'à nous chanter à l'unisson la chanson. La, 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 comme on s'aime, mon amour, sans problème, c'est ma terre de toujours.
Comme on s'aime, mon
And I'm sure Séverine approved of this year's performance for Monaco. Comme on s'aime. That's one you go away humming. The Belgian song is number 16. The singers Serge et Christine Giselon. They were married at Christmas 1968. They have a 5-month-old baby daughter called Julie Christie, and are both teachers of elocution and declamation, so you should hear the words. Their musical director is Henry Zegers. 4 times conducted the Eurovision Orchestra. The song À la folie ou Pas du tout, Madly or Not at all. Serge et Christine Giselon.
On aime à la folie ou pas du tout. L'amour n'est rien quand il ne rend pas fou. Mais on fait dire aux fleurs n'importe quoi. On aime un peu, beaucoup, et on le croit.
song written by Daniel Nelis, Bob Milon, and Émile Soulon. Madly or not at all. So, have you decided what's going to win? Well, that's a bad idea because there are two smashing songs to come at 17 and 18. Here for Luxembourg, Vicky Lyon Rose. She was born in Corfu, left Greece while a child, and now lives in Hamburg. She represented the Grand Duchy in 1967. Since then, she's been awarded 3 golden discs and also received awards from Japan and America. The conductor for Luxembourg is also the composer. He comes from Hamburg too. His name, Klaus Munro. And the song for Luxembourg is Après toi, After You, sung by Vicky Lyon Rose.
Tu t'en vas, l'amour a pour toi le sourire d'une autre. Je voudrais, mais ne peux t'en vouloir. Désormais, tu vas m'oublier. Ce n'est pas de ta faute. Et pourtant tu dois savoir qu'après toi je ne pourrai plus vivre, non plus vivre qu'en souvenir de toi. Après toi j'aurai les yeux humides, les mains vides, le cœur sans joie. Avec toi, j'ai appris à rire, et mes rires ne viennent que par toi. Après toi, je ne serai que l'ombre de ton ombre. Après toi, je pourrais peut-être donner de ma tendresse, mais plus rien de mon amour. Après toi, je ne pourrai plus vivre, non plus vivre qu'en souvenir de toi. Après toi, j'aurai les yeux humides, les mains vides, le cœur sans joie. Avec toi, j'ai appris à rire, et mes rires ne viennent que par toi. Après toi, je ne serai que l'ombre de ton ombre. Après toi.
There's a strong challenge from Vicky Lyon Rose for Luxembourg. Après toi, After You. Luxembourg were the winners in 1961 and 1965. So the last song, number 18, for the Netherlands, Sondra and Andres. Both from Indonesia. They come from villages only 2 miles apart. Now both living in Holland. She's 22 and had her first single hit when she was 13. First teamed up with Andres, who's 30, in 1966. The conductor is Harry van Hoof, who works a great deal of the time in Hilversum. The song, Als het om de liefde gaat. What do I do?
Wat zal ik doen om nog vandaag van jou te zijn? Wat zal je doen om nog vandaag van mij te zijn? Hey, moet Je kunt niet altijd zeggen wat je werkelijk voelt. Je bent bang dat je een fluit slaat. Ja, mensen doen gewoon, we doen altijd genoeg. Vooral als het om liefde gaat. Na 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 na, wat zal ik doen om nog vandaag van jou te zijn?
And how about that for a fighting knees-bend finish? Cheers for the Netherlands song number 18. And if it was a Eurovision infectious gaiety and bounce contest, that's the winner. Music by Hans van Hemert and words by Dries Holten, in other words, Andres himself.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, we have heard the 18 songs in this year's Eurovision Song Contest, and it is now time for our jury up at the castle to cast their votes. And I hope that you may be doing the same thing at home. But whilst everything is being prepared for this exciting climax, we go over to Edinburgh Castle for a very Scottish entertainment. Eh bien, mesdames et messieurs, nous venons d'entendre les 18 chansons.
Again in French,
présentées
the
cette
other
année
language
au
of the
concours de
European
la
Broadcasting
chanson
Union. Well,
Eurovision.
who wins?
Et
Luxembourg?
maintenant,
Netherlands with that last
là-haut
bouncy
dans le
number?
château
United Kingdom?
est sur le point
A lot
de
of
voter.
Scottish backing, as I say, for the New Seekers
Je
with
pense
Yves
que
Graham
vous
there.
en faites aussi, de
Or
même,
that
sans doute
gentle
chez
song
vous.
from Norway, or the melodious one
Mais
from
pendant
Italy.
que l'on
I don't know,
procède
your guess
aux
is as good as
derniers
mine.
préparatifs
It's
pour
been a
ce
very
grand
high
moment
standard of
remplissant,
entries this year.
nous allons au château
And I wonder
des
what
Nambours
Andrew Usher
pour
would say about
assister à
this
un
evening. He
spectacle
built this hall so that as
très
many people as possible could enjoy
particulièrement
music.
écossais.
But how could he have believed it if someone had said that one night 400 million people would hear songs from the Usher Hall? Well, here's the castle. As those of you who know Edinburgh, it's about half a mile away from here on a rock 500 feet high in the centre of the city. This is where the Crown of Scotland is kept. This is where each year the famous military tattoo is held. What a setting, as the pipes and drums of 8 Scottish regiments march across the drawbridge between statues of Scotland's heroes, Wallace and Bruce, and countermarch where the city of Edinburgh began, at the top of the castle hill. The tune is the Inverness Gathering. The drum major who leads them is James Mallet of the Argylls. There are more than 200 pipers and drummers in kilts of 6 tons. The Royal Steward, the Hunting Steward, the Leslie, Black Watch, Cabin of Errecht, and the Gorn. There's the Gordon Tartan with the yellow stripes.
Our grateful thanks to the massed pipes and drums of the Scottish regiments. And now, I'd like to tell you a little more about our new voting system, inaugurated for the first time last year. As you already know, our jury is here in Edinburgh, and it is made up of 36 members, 2 from each participating country, 1 over 25 years of age, and the other under 25 years of age. And there must be 10 years difference in their ages. They can give a minimum of 1 vote or a maximum of 5, which means a potential of 10 votes from each country. However, a jury cannot vote for its own country. Juries from 3 countries will vote together, and this is repeated 6 times. Notre appréciation aux musiques réunies, cornemuse et tambour, des régiments écossais. Et maintenant, je voudrais vous parler un
So
peu
you will
plus
see when
longuement
the groups of 3
de
vote
notre
that they
nouveau
never
système de
vote
vote
on their own
inauguré
entries.
l'année dernière.
I was
Comme
telling you
vous le
about the
savez déjà,
United Kingdom
notre jury,
jurors.
ici
Doreen
à
Samuels
Édimbourg,
from
se
Glasgow
compose de
is representing the
36
under-25s for the United Kingdom.
c'est-à-dire 2
She
membres pour
served on
chacun des
the
pays
jury
qui participent
last
au
year
concours.
for the British Song
Un
for
membre
Europe
âgé de plus de
when a
25
postal
ans
vote
et
wasn't
l'autre
possible
âgé
because
de
of
moins de
the
25
strike.
ans. Il faut
Robert Bruce Walker from
qu'il ait au
Hereford, who
moins 10
represents
ans
the
de
over
différence.
25s, is a motorcar distributor.
Ils peuvent
Asked if he had any
enregistrer
connection with
chacun un minimum
popular
d'un
songs, he said,
vote
well,
et un maximum de 5
Lonnie
votes,
Donegan
ce qui
wrote My
revient
Old Man's
virtuellement
Dustman
à
in
un
the front room
total
of
de 10
my house.
votes pour chaque pays. Toutefois, aucun jury
There's
ne peut voter dans le
a
cas de son
shipbuilder from
propre pays.
Yugoslavia, there's a dancer from
Les
Sweden,
membres du jury
an architect from Finland,
voteront
an opera
ensemble
student, in fact,
par
quite a lot
groupe
of students,
de
and
3
90% of the
Et
jurors
ce
speak
procédé
fluent English.
sera
That
répété
shames us.
6 fois. Mr. Clifford Brown is the official EBU scrutineer, and his word will be final. Monsieur Clifford Brown
Mr.
est
Clifford
le
Brown,
scrutateur
an
officiel
Englishman who lives in
de
Geneva,
l'UER,
is head of
et
the
sa
Eurovision
décision
Programme
est
Services, has been for
irrévocable.
11 years. This is his 6th year as adjudicator.
The jury has already cast its votes during the program. These have been given to Mr. Brown, and he will check that the votes recorded on this scoreboard are correct. In the event of a tie, there is a laid-down procedure, which I shall explain should the situation arise. Les membres du jury ont déjà enregistré leur vote pendant l'émission. Ceux-ci ont été remis à M. Brown, qui va vérifier l'exactitude des votes enregistrés sur le tableau. En cas d'égalité de points, il existe une procédure
There was
que
a
je
notable
vous
occasion in
expliquerai le
1969
cas
when 4
échéant.
countries tied, Spain, France,
And now,
Netherlands,
ladies and
Britain.
gentlemen, over to the Great Hall of Edinburgh Castle for the moment we have all been waiting for. Et maintenant, mesdames et messieurs, nous nous retrouvons
So
dans la
now we'll all
grande
be
salle
proved right or
du
wrong by
château
the
d'Édimbourg
jury from 18
pour le
countries
moment
up in the castle.
que nous attendons tous. Will the jury please stand by? Germany, France, and Ireland. Your votes, please, for Germany.
14 votes.
For France,
10 votes.
for Ireland,
7 votes.
for Spain, please,
17 votes.
for the United Kingdom,
23 votes.
for Norway,
13 votes.
for Portugal,
14 votes.
Switzerland,
15 votes.
for Malta,
9 votes.
your votes for Finland, please,
10 votes.
for Austria,
18 votes.
and now for Italy,
12 votes.
for Yugoslavia,
16 votes.
for Sweden,
13 votes.
your votes for Monaco,
11 votes.
for Belgium,
9 votes.
for Luxembourg,
26 votes.
and for the Netherlands,
20 votes.
thank
So,
you, Germany,
Vicky Leon
France, and
Ross in the
Ireland.
lead at the moment for Luxembourg. United Kingdom second with
Spain,
23.
United Kingdom, and Norway. Your votes, please, for Germany.
20 votes, making a total of 34.
For France,
18, making a total of 28.
for Ireland, please,
14 votes, making a total of 21.
for Spain,
11 votes, making a total of 28.
the United Kingdom,
12 votes, making a total of 35.
for Norway,
9 votes, making a total of 22.
for Portugal,
13 votes, making a total of 27.
for Switzerland,
16 votes, making a total of 31.
and for Malta,
10 votes, making a total of 19.
for Finland,
17 votes, making a total of 27.
for Austria,
14 votes, making a total of 32.
For Italy,
11 votes, making a total of 23.
your votes please for Yugoslavia.
17 votes, making a total of 33.
For Sweden,
11 votes, making a total of 24.
for Monaco,
14 votes, making a total of 25.
for Belgium,
9 votes, making a total of 18.
for Luxembourg,
20 votes, making a total of 46.
and for the Netherlands,
25 votes, making a total of 45. Excitement as the Netherlands comes up to second place
Spain,
behind
United
Luxembourg. I
Kingdom
don't know what
and
Vicky
Norway.
Leandros is looking so worried about. They're leading
Portugal,
in the second round.
Switzerland and Malta. Your votes please for Germany.
15 votes, making a total of 49.
For France,
10 votes, making a total of 38.
for Ireland,
13 votes, making a total of 34.
for Spain,
13 votes, making a total of 41.
the United Kingdom,
14 votes, making a total of 49.
Norway,
12 votes, making a total of 34.
for Portugal,
11 votes, making a total of 38.
for Switzerland,
6 votes, making a total of 37.
for Malta,
4 votes, making a total of 23.
your votes for Finland,
10 votes, making a total of 37.
and for Austria,
17 votes, making a total of 49.
for Italy,
22 votes, making a total of 45.
for Yugoslavia,
11 votes, making a total of 44.
for Sweden,
10 votes, making a total of 34.
for Monaco,
9 votes, making a total of 34.
for Belgium,
11 votes, making a total of 29.
Luxembourg,
17 votes, making a total of 63. Luxembourg well
and
out
for the
ahead.
Netherlands,
14 votes, making a total of 59. Netherlands fall behind
Portugal,
Luxembourg.
Switzerland and Malta, thank you. Finland, Austria and Italy.
Now it gets
your votes
very exciting.
please for Germany.
17 votes, making a total of 66.
And for France,
9 votes, making a total of 47.
for Ireland,
10 votes, making a total of 44.
for Spain,
12 votes,
making a total of 53.
The United Kingdom,
21 votes, making a total of 70.
That's a wonderful vote.
for Norway,
12 votes, making a total of 46.
for Portugal,
15 votes, making a total of 53.
for Switzerland,
20 votes, making a total of 57.
Malta,
9 votes, making a total of 32.
for Finland,
6 votes, making a total of 43.
and for Austria,
10 votes, making a total of 59.
for Italy,
12 votes, making a total of 57.
for Yugoslavia,
8 votes, making a total of 52.
and now for Sweden,
12 votes, making a total of 46.
for Monaco,
11 votes, making a total of 45.
for Belgium,
9 votes, making a total of 38.
So Luxembourg is the mark we're all waiting for. United Kingdom with 70, Luxembourg with 63.
for Luxembourg,
23 votes, making a total of 86.
86. Luxembourg well in the lead.
and for the Netherlands,
Well, she may smile.
18 votes, making a total of 77.
And Netherlands second with 77.
thank you, Finland, Austria, and Italy. Yugoslavia, Sweden, and Monaco. Your votes, please, for Germany.
21 votes, making a total of 87.
For France,
13 votes, making a total of 60.
for Ireland,
13 votes, making a total of 57.
your votes for Spain,
17 votes, making a total of 70.
for the United Kingdom,
24 votes, making a total of 94.
for Norway,
So 94 of the new seekers.
13 votes, making a
But
total of 59.
Luxembourg, well, with one round's voting to go
For
at
Portugal?
86, hot on their tails.
15 votes,
Very good
making a
mark for
total of
Germany.
68.
Considering they sang first, 87.
Switzerland,
15 votes, making a total of 72.
Malta,
8 votes, making a total of 40.
Finland,
13 votes, making a total of 56.
for Austria,
23 votes, making a total of 82.
for Italy,
18 votes, making a total of 75.
for Yugoslavia,
13 votes, making a total of 65.
Sweden,
12 votes, making a total of 58.
Monaco,
7 votes, making a total of 52.
for Belgium,
8 votes, making a total of 46.
for Luxembourg,
25 votes, making a total of 111.
and for the Netherlands,
20 votes, total
Luxembourg in an
97.
unbeatable position now, surely. Yes. Luxembourg with
Thank you,
111.
Yugoslavia,
Netherlands
Sweden,
97.
and Monaco.
United Kingdom 94.
Belgium, Luxembourg, and the Netherlands. Your votes, please, for Germany.
20 votes, making
And
a
this
grand
is
total
the
of
last and
107.
Decisive round. So Germany are not the winners.
For France,
21 votes, making a grand total of 81.
for Ireland,
15 votes, grand total of 72.
for Spain,
13 votes, a grand total of 83.
the United Kingdom,
Hold your breath.
20 votes, making a grand total of 114.
114 in the lead at the moment,
your
but I don't
votes,
think
please,
enough of a
for
lead
Norway,
to catch up with Luxembourg.
14 votes, making a grand total of 73.
for Portugal,
22 votes, making a grand total of 90.
for Switzerland,
16 votes, grand total of 88.
for Malta,
8 votes, a grand total of 48.
for Finland,
22 votes, a grand total of 78.
and for Austria,
18 votes, a grand total of 100.
your votes for Italy,
17 votes with a grand total of 92.
for Yugoslavia,
22 votes with a grand total of 87.
for Sweden,
So
17
United Kingdom
votes,
and New
grand
Seekers
total of 75.
still in the lead. Make the most of it, because I've got the feeling it won't be for long with that total
For
of 111
Monaco.
for Luxembourg.
13 votes, a grand total of 65.
for Belgium,
9 votes, a grand total of 55.
Now this is the decisive score.
for Luxembourg,
17 votes, grand
They've
total
done it.
of 128.
They've done it. She's done it. Vicky Lambros for Luxembourg, 128
and your
grand total.
votes, please, for the Netherlands.
9 votes, a grand total of 106.
So the United Kingdom is second, as we so often have been in the past, but many congratulations to Luxembourg with 128 votes. The winners of the 1972 Eurovision Song Contest.
And so, ladies and gentlemen, the winner of the 1972 Eurovision Song Contest is, et donc, mesdames et messieurs, le gagnant du concours de la chanson Eurovision 1972, c'est Luxembourg. And to present the Grand Prix to the author-composer of the winning song, we have the artist who sang the winning song last year, Un banc, un arbre, une rue, Séverine.
Here she comes, Severine, who sang the winning song last year. So now we await the songwriters to take the medals, because remember, this is a song contest. It's not a contest between artists. And here we are. Mario Panas. A great triumph for Vicky Leandros for Luxembourg.
Ladies and gentlemen,
a very deserved winner with a lovely performance of Luxembourg's song Après Toi, After You.
ladies and gentlemen, it only remains for me to wish you all, wherever you are, a very warm good night. And here to end our program is once again the winning song of the 1972 Eurovision Song Contest, sung by Vicky Leandros.
Tu t'en vas, l'amour a pour toi le sourire d'une autre. Je voudrais, mais ne peux t'en vouloir. Désormais, tu vas m'oublier. Ce n'est pas de ta faute. Et pourtant tu dois savoir qu'après toi je ne pourrai plus vivre, non plus vivre qu'en souvenir de toi. Après toi j'aurai les yeux humides, les mains vides, le cœur sans joie. Avec toi, j'avais appris à rire, et mes rires ne viennent que par toi. Après toi, je ne serai que l'ombre de ton ombre. Après toi, je pourrais peut-être donner de ma tendresse, mais plus rien de mon amour. Après toi, je ne pourrai plus vivre, non plus vivre qu'en souvenir de toi. Après toi, j'aurai les yeux humides, les mains vides, le cœur sans joie. Avec toi, j'avais appris à rire, et mes rires ne viennent que par toi. Après toi, je ne serai que l'ombre de ton ombre. Après toi.
And so, with our congratulations to Vicky Leandros, to Klaus Monroe and his fellow songwriters from Luxembourg, with our thanks to the radio orchestra who've accompanied all the songs in the contest, to the artists who come from all over Europe to Edinburgh, and to you for watching. I say goodbye to you from the Usher Hall and good night to you from Edinburgh and the Eurovision Song Contest of 1972.